I'm in an original Audi R8 V8. Next to me is the R8 GT Spider from 2012, and next to that is the run-out version of the original Mark 1 Audi R8, and it's the LMX V10 version. Now next to that is the brand new facelifted version of the Mark 2 R8, and it's the V10 Performance. So we basically have the very earliest R8 and the very latest version. And we're going to have a drag race to see how things have improved over the years. Now I've got a naturally aspirated 4.2 litre V8 with 424 horsepower and 430 newton meters of torque. I've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. The GT Spider has a naturally aspirated 5.2 litre V10 with 560 horsepower and 540 newton meters. It has a 6-speed automatic single clutch gearbox. The LMX has a 5.2 litre V10, naturally aspirated yet again, and it has 570 horsepower and 540 newton meters of torque, but it has a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. The very latest Audi R8 V10 Performance, yet again, has a 5.2 litre V10, but with 620 horsepower and 580 newton meters, and it has a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. Right then, now I've got all that out of the way, let's race. Oh, before we do, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, check us out on Instagram at carwow cars. Okay, let's do this. Good start. Come on, V8. Oh, that gear change is a little bit slow. What is going on? This is fast, but it's not fast enough. Oh my God. That's progress for you. The V10's obviously closer together. This got away really well with the manual. The latest car though smashed everyone, but it wasn't that much of a difference between the LMX and the new version. Do you know what? Back in the day, 2008, with a V8 engine, this is a quick car. It's only at big speeds where those really start to pull.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the brand new Mark II R8 V10 Performance did the quarter mile in 10.7 seconds. The Mark 1 V10 LMX took 10.9 seconds. The Mark 1 V10 GT Spider took 11.5 seconds. And the original Mark 1 V8 took 12.6 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. We're all in third gear. Obviously the automatics are locked in third. So here we go. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go. Pickup's really good on this. Really good. Really good. Revving it out now and it's all happened. It's all happened. I'm done. I'm backing off. It's really close between the latest Mark II V10 Performance and the end of the run Mark 1 LMX. So close. Woo! Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour when we hit the cone, full emergency stop. They don't have to worry about pressing their clutches down, I do. Let's do it. Come on, my old girl. That's weird. So, yeah, I lost that with the older car and probably smaller brakes. The GT Spider actually came second. The LMX didn't do so well. Now that's on carbon ceramic brakes. Maybe they just needed a bit of heat in them. Although the other cars, they're on carbon ceramics as well. This is the only one that isn't. Well, there's progress for you there. I think the difference between those cars is to do with the reaction time of the driver, because that Spider is actually about 50 kilos heavier than these coupes. So there you go. Things have definitely moved on, haven't they? But not by as much as you may think. This car still feels very, very quick today, and it is lovely to drive, and I do really like this open gate manual gearbox, which you can't get on an R8 at all now. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, let us know what you think about the video and some other things you'd like to do in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.